Is the Sony ZV-E10 the best budget camera ever made? Or is it just a hyped up piece of plastic? If you're trying to graduate from your smartphone, you need to hear this. First, the Superpower, the sensor. This camera uses a massive APS-C sensor, the same one found in cameras double the price. That means you get that amazing blurry background bokeh and great low light performance that your phone just can't fake. Secondly, the autofocus. It's a Sony, and it just works. It locks onto your eye and doesn't let go. Plus, for product reviewers, the product showcase mode is a lifesaver. It instantly snaps focus to whatever you hold up, then back to your face. No more holding your hand behind the object. But it's not perfect, and here's the bad news. The rolling shutter. If you move the camera around fast in 4K, the footage might not be what you were expecting. This camera is really meant for talking heads, not action sports. Also, there's no viewfinder. You have to rely entirely on the LCD screen, which can be hard to see in bright sunlight. And finally, the stabilization. This camera has active stabilization, but it crops into your image. So if you plan on walking and talking, you'll need a wider lens or a gimbal. However, the ZV-E10 has an ace up its sleeve, the E-mount. Unlike other budget cameras, you have access to hundreds of incredible E-mount lenses, allowing creators to swap between wide-angle, telephoto, macro, or prime lenses for different vlogging styles. This camera grows with you. You can always buy cheap glass now and upgrade to cinema quality glass later. So, who is the Sony ZV-E10 for? Well, if you're a YouTuber, a streamer, or a content creator sitting in a studio or home office, this is potentially dollar for dollar the best value on the market at the moment. It's not a perfect camera, but it's the perfect starting camera. I hope this content helps you make an informed choice. So get out there and create, and I'll catch you on the next one.